Google's Pixel 10 just leaked, and it's packing a Tensor G5 chip and a sneaky under-display camera. Is this the Android champ ready to dethrone the iPhone 17 in 2025? X is buzzing, and the stakes are sky high. Stick around to see why this could change everything. What's good, Tech Squad? Welcome back to the channel, where we're dropping Google Pixel 10's early leaks. Expected later this year, this beast got Android loyalists hyped and X users debating, can it outshine the iPhone 17? We're unpacking the Tensor G5 chip, that under-display camera glow-up, and what it all means for you. Let's roll. So what's cooking? Leaks from several sources are spilling the tea. The Pixel 10's rocking the Tensor G5 chip, Google's first fully custom silicone built by TSMC on a 3nm process. That's a leap from the 4nm Tensor G4 and the Pixel 9, promising more power and more efficiency. Think snappier apps, better battery, and AI that's next level. Like, hey Google, edit my life vibes. Then there's the big one, an under-display camera. No more punch hole. Say hello to a seamless screen. X users are geeking out with posts like, finally, a clean look, and Pixel's catching up to Samsung Z Fold. It's not confirmed, but rumors say it's tied to new IR sensors for face unlock, sleek and secure. Launch late 2025, likely October as per Google's usual playbook. Why is this trending? Android fans are calling it a power move. The Tensor G5's shift to TSMC, same folks behind Apple's A18, has X buzzing with takes like, Google's finally serious. Sources say it's got a Cortex X4 core, 5 A725s, and a new Imagination GPU with ray tracing. Gaming's about to pop off, but it's not all roses. Some X posts are skeptical, saying still behind Snapdragon 8 Elite and iPhone 17's A19 might smoke it. The under-display camera's a flex, but leaks hint at trade-offs. Early benchmarks show modest gains over the G4, not a knockout. Still, that screen upgrade could be a design win, especially if Google nails the selfie quality. It's Pixel's shot to flex on Apple's notchless dreams. Let's talk the big fight. Pixel 10 versus iPhone 17. Apple's 2025 beast is rumored to pack an A19 chip on TSMC's N3P node, same as Pixel's 11 G6 next year, not the G5. X users are split. One says iPhone's efficiency will crush it, while another fires back, Pixel's camera AI is untouchable. The under-display cam gives Pixel a style edge. iPhone 17 might stick with Dynamic Island. Deep Dive suggests Tensor G5 leans on AI smarts over raw power, so think photo magic and Google tricks, not benchmark flexing. Price? Pixel 10 might hover around $799, undercutting iPhone 17's $1,000-ish tag. It's niche versus empire. Android loyalists are eating this up. Here's the real talk. If these leaks hold, Pixel 10 is a bold play. That Tensor G5 could make your phone smoother, your games prettier, and your battery last longer. Perfect for power users. The under-display camera, a vibe for anyone who hates screen clutter. Video calls and Netflix just got cleaner. Launch is months out, think about fall 2025, so we've got time for more leaks to drop. X chatter is still wild, and we're betting Google's got more up its sleeve. Could this sway iPhone fans? Maybe not, but for Android diehards, it's a reason to stay Team Pixel. Are you Team Pixel or Team iPhone for 2025? Drop your pick in the comments.